We've got Roscoe here and we're going to demonstrate how to clean a dog's ears. We're doing this on a table, though often with a dog of this size it's easier to do it on the floor. The important thing to start with is to keep the pets calm and try not to excite them. Give them firm, concise instructions so that they stay where you want them to. So the first thing that we do is have a look at both of the ears, and it's good to compare the two ears to see if one of them looks red in comparison to the other one, or perhaps it looks a lot dirtier than the other one. It's good to clean both ears, but obviously you might want to concentrate on one ear. So turning the ears over, like I've done there, shows that you can compare one side with the other one. He doesn't have particularly hairy ears, but a lot of dogs do have hair in their ears, and sometimes plucking a few hairs out from the ear on an occasion can help clear the blockage that the hairs can cause. This shows the anatomy of a normal dog's ear. You can quite clearly see that the ear canal coming down on the outside of the head is L-shaped, and it turns in towards the head and terminates at the eardrum, which is here. The aim of cleaning the ear is to get the ear cleaning fluid to go right down into the canal so that it will dissolve the wax at the base of the ear as much as around the top. This also demonstrates that actually you can't introduce something like your finger too far into the ear to cause any damage, but you should always remember not to put anything else down into your dog's ear. So once you've got your pet calm and sitting comfortably, hold the ear flap up and gently introduce the ear cleaner into the ear canal. You then squeeze the ear cleaning pot so that enough fluid goes in so that you might see it come over the top of the ear. Then you can gently massage the ear. The ear canal is, you can feel the ear canal between my thumb and forefinger coming down the side of the head here. And often the dogs like this and you'll get a reassuring squelching noise. It's important to be gentle though, because especially if you've got a painful ear, this can hurt the dogs and you want to avoid that. The aim here is to make sure that this is all enjoyable for the dogs and that they don't become phobic of having their ears cleaned, because it's important as part of the healthcare protocol of any animal to be able to do this. Once the ear cleaner is in and nice and it's nice and wet and moist in there, you can then gently wipe the ear out with a bit of cotton wool like this and wipe any of the wax from around the top of the ear. The dogs will then often shake their heads, and that's good because it's releasing the wax and debris from further down in the ear canal, and it will come up to the top of the ear. Ear cleaning's a good thing to do on a regular basis for any of your pets. The aim is to keep the ear healthy and clean. Ultimately, what we're trying to avoid is any disease process getting out of hand. This model clearly demonstrates what can happen to an ear. The ear can go from nice and open and with little or no inflammation to an ear that becomes completely inflamed and hideously painful for the pet. This end stage process often needs surgery to correct it, and regular ear cleaning can avoid that.